Rest is not the absence of work. It's active neural repair. You take a day off, but you still check notifications. Scroll, reply, watch, switch. You technically stopped working, yet you don't feel restored. That's because recovery is not inactivity. It's biological recalibration. If rest is supposed to recharge you, why does it sometimes leave you just as tired? Throughout the day, neural activity accumulates metabolic byproducts. Glutamate signaling increases. Stress hormones rise. Synaptic potentiation accumulates. The brain requires periods of reduced input to rebalance. During deep sleep, slow-wave activity supports synaptic downscaling, energy restoration, glymphatic clearance of metabolic waste. During quiet wakefulness, parasympathetic activation reduces stress load. Recovery requires lowered stimulation, reduced novelty, autonomic balance. Without these states, load persists. Neuroscience research shows slow-wave sleep facilitates synaptic recalibration. Studies on stress physiology demonstrate parasympathetic dominance supports recovery and cognitive restoration. Recovery is measurable, not abstract. You spend hours on low-effort content. It feels relaxing, but afterward your mind feels scattered. You try to sleep, but your brain stays slightly alert. True recovery requires state shifts, from sympathetic activation to parasympathetic dominance, from high dopamine variability to stable baseline, from constant input to minimal input. When stimulation continues, even at low intensity, the brain does not fully downregulate. Incomplete recovery accumulates. This leads to reduced cognitive clarity, lower emotional regulation, higher perceived effort, greater reactivity. Recovery is not entertainment. It is nervous system recalibration. Silence strengthens restoration. Deep sleep consolidates it. Physical movement accelerates it. The brain restores when input decreases. Schedule real recovery. Protected quiet time. Deep sleep prioritization. Digital boundaries. Unstimulated reflection. Recovery is structural maintenance. Without it, performance declines silently. If you want sustainable performance instead of constant strain, you need to understand what real recovery requires. Subscribe to Vera Human. We explain the biology shaping resilience.